Today I will be testing you guys who will be the better scientist. I will ask you specific questions on the scientific inquiry. Name the steps of the scientific method in order.
Identify a problem, gather information, make an observation, form a hypothesis, design an experiment, and a conclusion?
Yeah.
No.
Identify a problem, make an observation, form a hypothesis, design an experiment, conduct the experiment and record data, analyze data, and form a conclusion.
Scarlett, you are correct, and Caitlin, you're stupid. What is the difference between a hypothesis and an inference?
An inference is an observation based on prior experiences or supported by observations made in an experiment, and a hypothesis is just an educated guess based on your research.
I have no idea.
Scarlett is correct. Explain what a conclusion is and why it is important.
Oh, I know this one. A conclusion is the experiment you do after the first experiment.
Wrong. Scarlett?
A conclusion is what you write after you have completed your experiment and all the steps before the experiment. A conclusion will explain your experiment and data. You would need to accept or reject your hypothesis and restate your conclusion. This is important because you need to know where and why your experiment failed if needed.
Correct. How can you increase the validity of your experiment?
Your mom.
No.
You can increase the validity of your experiment by running multiple trials and keeping accurate data, using a large sample size and avoiding bias.
What are 3 lab tools?
I give up.
Aluminum flask, which is used to mix things, Bunsen burner, which is used to heat things, sugar bean balance, which is used to measure mass.
Well, I think it's obvious that Scarlett is the better scientist.